Hello and welcome to our short video on how to attach bias tape to the edge of a garment if you don't have seam allowance left at the edge. Sew the bias strip to the inside of the lower edge with the right side of the bias strip facing the wrong side of the fabric. Fold the seam allowance over at both ends before stitching. Press the bias strip downward, then wrap it around the raw edge to the outside. Fold the seam allowance of the bias strip to the inside and top stitch it in place from the outside. This is what the outside edge looks afterwards. In a real garment, you would use color matching thread in order to have a neat finish, of course. As for the ends, use needle and thread to hand sew the ends of your bias strip. Find many more tutorials on our YouTube channel and visit sistermagpatterns.com for our sewing patterns.